Hello everyone, welcome to our video. We are from PBL 503 Team 2. We are in here to presentation for our final exam. And what we will presentation is our product, Arduino Fishing Game with Unity. Okay, I will introduce our project manager. Our project manager is Mr. Riwinoto, and our team itself, we have Devi Aryani as the leader of the team. We have and the member is Laili Mutiararini, Ilham Afrendino Putpulu, Azura Aronita, and Sonia Nurulaini. Okay, before we continue to giving explanation about little of the detail of our project, we have little description about our project. We call our game is Crazy Tuna. Crazy Tuna is a fishing simulation game with the physical controller based Arduino Uno. In this game, we are over a local wisdom of Batam itself, and the background of this game is Baralang Bridge in Batam City. In this game, player can catch so many type of fish, but tuna is the main character of the fish. Okay, the detail about our project and the related our project with our course will be explained by Devi Aryani.
The PBL subject involvement contribution, the first one 3D animation. This course involve creating asset models, animation movement, and game environment. The second, hardware programming. This course developing a physical game control system using Arduino. The third, artificial intelligence. This course create fish behavior in the game and AI for fish movement and response. The fourth, game programming. This course development of game mechanism and logic in Unity and creation mechanical movement on fishing rod objects. The fifth, entrepreneurship. This course help in how to market in the game and manage the project as the business product. The sixth, English communication. This course help in creating file document and delivering project presentation. And then Pancasila education. This course entails moral value and application in the project. Okay, next, this is output from the project are the final report, IPR, manual book, scientific poster, game hardware, demo video, and proposal. Okay, the next will be handled by Afriandi.
So this is a table history logbook that we got first week to the 14th week. Okay, next. Okay, week 1 and week 2 concept and planning, where we discuss and develop the concept for the fishing game, plan the lesson plan or RPP, and study essential tools like Unity and Blender for development. Week 3 until week 5, initial design and development. We create and optimize 3D asset Blender, integrated them into Unity, and edit visual effect like water shader and underwater effect. Week 6 and week 7, implementation and pathfinding. We continue animating the movement of sea object, implemented pathfinding for fish and NPC board, and design the game's intro and menu panel. Week 8 until week 10, implementation, Unity and controller. We edit full strength and score feature with real-time update on fish sketches, integrate audio for menu, reel, ocean, and NPC, implemented sandal and starfish mechanic, and edit UI unification for bait, attachment, and strike. Week 11 until week 14, implementation controller. Design and assemble the controller container according to the design for joystick 1 for navigation and joystick 2 for rail. The input from the joystick is successful, detected and integrated with Unity. All components have been assembled and installed properly inside the controller container.
This is our progress project, includes creating 3D animation assets in Blender such as fish, starfish, jellyfish. Moving assets from Blender to Unity, adding water shaders, pathfinding for fish movement, and designing the UI of the game. Next. Relationship between project and course, 3D animation, making 3D animation assets in Blender, game programming, game mechanism in Unity, hardware programming, Arduino controller, artificial intelligence, creating fish behavior, entrepreneurship, how to market the project, English communication, how to creating the file document, and Pancasila education, more value and professionalism. The next will be handled by Sonia.
Okay, this is diagram use case. The player joystick to control the fish, catching fish, avoid obstacle and earning points. Joystick input process in Unity to update the fish's position, while servo motors deliver physical feedback. Okay, next. This is contribution of each member. In the Arduino Uno Unity fishing game project, the leader coordinates members. Members manage 3D animation, pathfinding, testing, hardware integration, and documentation, ensuring effective collaboration and AI implementation like FSM. Okay, the next will be handed by Laili. Our main challenges so far are connecting Arduino to Unity, ensuring the fishing rod sensor accurately, creating natural fish movement without collisions, and then designing and animating realistic models. The next work plan. Implement more types of underwater creator and then improve the movement of fish can swim in underwater. The next closing.